This video will show you how to download and visualize data from the lapdMouse project using the lapdMouse browser extension for 3D Slicer, a multi-platform, free, and open-source visualization tool for medical imaging. This video will cover installation and first usage. If you're not familiar with the lapdMouse project, please visit our website at lapdmouse.iibi.uiowa.edu. If you haven't already installed 3D Slicer, go to download.slicer.org. We are using the stable release of 3D Slicer version 4.10.0. Download the file for your operating system and install it. If you have any problems downloading and installing Slicer, please consult the links at the bottom of the download page. After starting 3D Slicer, select View from the menu, then click Extension Manager. In the search bar, search for lapdMouse. Install the extension and restart Slicer. Now we are ready to start using the lapdMouse browser. From Slicer's module selector, go down the list to lapdMouse and click on lapdMouse DB browser. This opens the lapdMouse Data Archive browser window. The first time you use the lapdMouse browser, you might want to change the storage folder before downloading any data. To do that, close the lapdMouse browser window, click the directory listed next to Storage folder, and select a place for the lapdMouse data to be saved on your local computer. I made a new lapdMouse data folder inside my Documents directory. To get back to the dataset list, click the Show Browser button. On the left-hand side, you'll see all the available datasets. If you click on one, the right pane shows the available files, whether or not they can be visualized in 3D Slicer. The easiest way to get started is to click the Download Standard File Selection button. This will download some of the commonly used data files for the selected mouse dataset. Some of the files are very large, and the download might take some time depending on your internet connection. Once the files are downloaded, their icons will change from a cloud to a storage icon. You can also go to the folder you selected as your storage folder and see all the data files that were downloaded to your local hard drive. Now that the files are locally available, you can click the Load Standard File selection in Slicer. Once again, this may take a little while. Once the data are loaded, close the lapdMouse Data Archive browser. Now you are ready to start exploring the data in 3D Slicer. I'll show a few quick examples here without any explanation. Hopefully this video is just enough to get you started exploring our datasets in 3D Slicer. For further information about the lapdMouse project and the available data, please visit our website, lapdmouse.iibi.uiowa.edu. For further information on using 3D Slicer, visit slicer.org.